Today, we're exploring the best air conditioners for your garage, checking their features, benefits, prices, and reviews. Whether you're working on your car, setting up a workshop, or just want to keep your space cool and comfortable, finding the right air conditioner is essential. For your convenience, all the products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the BLACK+DECKER Air Conditioner priced at $526. This versatile AC with a size of 14,000 British thermal unit isn't just for cooling. It also doubles as a heater, making it perfect for year-round temperature control in your garage. With the ability to cover spaces up to 700 square feet, it's powerful enough for most garage sizes. It features a remote control for easy adjustments from across the room, a 24-hour timer to set your cooling or heating schedule, and a slide-out washable filter which simplifies maintenance. Mobility is a breeze with casters and side handles, allowing you to move the unit wherever it's needed. However, some users have noted a couple of drawbacks. The absence of an automatic mode, which means it can switch between heating and cooling automatically, and there's no built-in condensate pump, which can be an inconvenience. Despite these issues, the unit's quick heating and cooling capabilities have received high marks from users. The noise level is moderate at 54 decibels, which is acceptable for both residential and commercial environments. Its energy efficiency may not be the highest with a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 6.2, but it provides significant utility given its dual functionality. Overall, this air conditioner is praised for its effectiveness, especially in versatile environments. Second is the BALKO Windowless air conditioner priced at $249. This model stands out due to its evaporative cooling technology, which is especially effective in dry climates and can cool areas up to 700 square feet. It features a large 8-gallon water tank that supports extended use without needing a refill, ideal for long work sessions in the garage. The unit is equipped with 3 adjustable speeds, an oscillating fan for broad coverage, and a remote control for convenience. Its low noise operation and easy mobility, thanks to built-in lockable wheels, make it a user favorite. Customers appreciate the added icebox that enhance cooling efficiency, each lasting up to 8 hours. The intuitive control panel and remote control ensure that it's user-friendly, suitable even for those who may not be tech-savvy. Despite its robust features, the plastic construction raises questions about long-term durability, but immediate performance and ease of use receive glowing reviews. Users also note its energy efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for cooling large spaces. Third is the SUPALAK portable air conditioner priced at just $129. It offers a budget-friendly cooling solution. It's designed as a 3-in-1 unit that cools, circulates air, and adds humidity, which is perfect for garages that double as workspaces. The unit boasts a 1.5-gallon water tank and can operate for up to 16 hours on a single fill. It's also equipped with a honeycombed cascade system that enhances cooling efficiency and moisture distribution. The SUPALAK operates quietly at just 40 decibels, making it one of the quietest in its category. The remote control adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance. Portability is facilitated by built-in handles and wheels, enabling easy movement around the garage. Some users have reported it being particularly effective in smaller, targeted areas rather than large spaces. Its low power consumption at 60 watts makes it an energy-efficient choice, ideal for those conscious of their energy bills. The main drawback noted by users include its limited range and effectiveness in only moderately warm conditions, making it less suitable for extreme heat. Fourth on the list is the Whynter ARC-14S, which is priced starting at $469. This unit is notable for its powerful dual-hose system that can cool spaces up to 500 square feet efficiently. It combines air conditioning with a dehumidifier and fan, making it a versatile choice for different climate needs. The unit includes a patented auto-drain function that effectively manages condensation, a critical feature for humid environments. It operates relatively quietly at less than 56 decibels and offers 3 fan speeds for adjustable comfort. The carbon air filter and washable pre-filter ensure that the air remains clean, which is especially beneficial in a garage setting. While the unit is praised for its robust cooling performance and longevity, some users have noted that it can be a significant power consumer, which might increase electricity bills. Also, the setup involves a bit more complexity due to the dual hose system, but is manageable with some effort. Despite these challenges, reviews often commend its ability to maintain a consistent and comfortable environment even in challenging conditions. Fifth and last is the SereneLife Air Conditioner, priced at $443. This portable air conditioner offers a cooling power of 10,000 British thermal units and is capable of covering spaces up to 450 square feet. It features 3 operating modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan, along with automatic swing mode for maximum air circulation. The built-in dehumidifier not only reduces humidity, but also helps in saving space and costs that would otherwise go to a separate unit. The digital touch button control panel and remote control make it easy to operate and adjust settings according to your needs. At a noise level of 52 to 56 decibels, it ensures a quiet operation that won't disrupt your work or relaxation in the garage. The unit is highly portable thanks to its sleek design and rolling wheels, allowing for easy movement between areas. Users have praised its efficient cooling and the added convenience of the remote control, though some have pointed out that the window kit could be better designed to fit more securely. Despite these minor issues, the overall feedback is overwhelmingly positive, highlighting its effectiveness in maintaining a comfortable environment. So, in conclusion, when selecting the best air conditioner for your garage, consider the size of your space, the specific features you need, and the level of portability required. Each of these models offers a unique set of benefits to help you keep your garage comfortable throughout the year. Whether you prioritize powerful cooling, energy efficiency, or multifunctionality, there's a solution to meet your needs. And don't forget, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.